Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the second part of algebraic fraction of BLE Questions, Class 8. This is part 2. In the first part, I have explained most of the questions. Now, remaining question I am going to explain in this video. Let us see this question. Question over here, which is given, is p square upon p minus q. In between, there is plus sign. Again, in the numerator's place, we have q square by q minus p. Again, what do you see? Only the terms are interchanged, then the LCM is going to be same. So that is why to change that, what we have to do, this will remain same to same. Only I have to change this plus sign into minus. Then the digit under them will be interchanged. Q minus P is going to be P minus Q. So as a result, both of them are having same denominators, P minus Q. LCM is same, that is why the numerators will be written same to same. P square minus Q square. Now that will go into formula, that is P plus Q into P minus Q. Now in the denominator also we have P minus Q. So that can be reduced, and the answer for this question is P plus Q. Moving ahead to the next question, we have x minus 15 in the numerator and x square minus 9 in the denominator. Similarly, plus is in between and 18 over x square minus 9. Both of them are having the same denominators, that is why we can write them together, x square minus 9, and denominators as a LCM I have written that, and then after the numerator I'll copy same to same. After this, what do you get? 15 and 18. One is minus, another one plus. You'll get plus 3 on the top. And this is x square minus 3 square. Arrangement is done. Arrangement is done so that it will convert it into formula. That is a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b on the top, that is x plus 3. Now x plus 3 and x plus 3 in the numerator and denominator is got. What is left? 1 on the top, and down in the denominator x minus 3. So this is going to be the answer for this question. Now moving ahead to the next question, we have 1 by x minus 1 in the denominator and 2x whole upon 1 minus x square in the denominator. Again, to have the denominator in product form, this we cannot do anything, it will remain same, but for this we can change it into formula. So before changing it into formula, this is x minus 1 and here is 1 minus x square. So what we will do is we will just convert this sign plus into minus, and this x square 1 minus x square will become x square minus 1, and we can convert it into the formula of a square minus b square, and we can write it in product form, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1. 2x is on the top. Now let us take LCM in between them. LCM is matching, we have to write once, that is x minus 1. What is left, that is also written over here. X minus 1 is reduced, so 1 will multiply the remaining factor, that is x plus 1. Similarly, over here the denominator and the LCM is same, so when we divide it, 1 will come, that 1 will be multiplied by 2x, that gives us 2x. Similarly, 1 into x plus 1 minus 2x. As a result, what do we get here? 1 minus x. But under this, what is there? X minus 1, but it cannot be reduced. So what I'll do is I'll take minus as common, and it will become x minus 1 on the top, and down x minus 1, x plus 1. So here we go, x minus 1 is reduced. Minus in front will make some changes in this question. but we can keep this also 1 by minus 1 by x plus 1, because this minus will keep changing in both minus x and minus 1. It will become, that doesn't look good. Let it be minus 1 by x plus 1. So this is going to be the simplest form for this question. Moving to the next question, what do we have? Let's see. In this question we have 2 over a plus 1 plus in the middle 2a over a minus 1 minus a square minus 3 over a square minus 1. So here we have got three terms. So let us take LCM of between these two terms, a plus 1 into a minus 1. So what do we get? This and this will be cut. A minus 1 which is left will multiply this one, 2 into a minus 1. Similarly this 2a will multiply a minus 1 is reduced. What is left? A plus 1. That will multiply this 2a, a plus 1. Let it be same. The last one, a square minus 3 by a square minus 1. So here we go. Here we have a plus 1 into a minus 1 is a square minus 1. On the other side, on the top, 2 into a, 2a minus 2 1 is 2. 2a into a gives us 2a square plus 2 1 is 2 minus a square minus 3 by a square minus 1. Now here we see the LCM is going to be same as denominator, because both the denominators are like. So it is a square minus 1 as LCM, and this 2 and this 2 can be reduced. What do we see? 2a square plus 2a. This minus will affect this both. This plus becomes minus a square and this minus becomes plus 3. Now let's see what we are going to get. 2a square minus a square is a square plus 2a plus 3 upon a square minus 1. Now first into last, when you will do, you will get plus 3a square. First into last, when you will do, you will get this. So it means by multiplying, by adding, it should come 2a, and by multiplying it should come 3. So what should we add so that it becomes 2, and multiply that becomes 3? So there is nothing like that. If I'll take 2a plus a, then it becomes 3a, and I have to add and bring 2a, that can be a plus a. So a plus a cannot be multiplied, and that gives us result 3a square. So this is going to be the answer. We cannot do further. A square plus 2a plus 3 by a square minus 1 is going to be the final answer. Okay, let me skip 1 2 questions and let me go down, and then after I'll start explaining from the last question now, so that I can touch everything in this question. Okay, so here comes the last question. From last I'm going to solve now. 2x plus 6 upon x square minus 9 minus 4x upon 2x square minus 6x. So what we have to do first, we have to make it into product form in the denominator. So that comes x square minus 3 square. On the top 2 was common, right? We could have taken that. 4x by, over here what do you see? 2x is common. So 2x common, if you will take, what is left? X minus 3. Over here also if you see 2x plus 6, let's not do that. Let's find out the product form. That is x plus 3 into x minus 3. On the top we have 2x plus 6. Later on I'll do that. First I'll do simplification, and then after I'll just take anything common which is between them. Now let's take LCM. What is the LCM over here? The LCM, this x and this x can be removed. 2 2 is 4. On the top I have 2x, and in between down I have On the top I have 2 and down I have x minus 3. So the LCM for this is x plus 3 into x minus 3. X minus 3, x minus 3 is common between them. So this is going to be LCM. These all are same. So the top one will be written same without any changes. But for this x minus 3, x minus 3 matching, this is reduced. So x plus 3 will multiply these two. X plus 3 will multiply it. And what do we get? Minus 2x and minus 6. Okay, 2 into x 2x and plus into minus minus 6. So what do we see? We can see those all are reduced to 0 in the numerator. If it is 0 on the top and down there is x plus 3, x minus 3. So 0 by something is always become 0 and something by 0 is always become undetermined, undefined, infinity. Okay, now let's see another question. Second last question is this. In this question we have 1 on the top and down a minus 3, minus in between 1 by 2, again in the bracket a plus 3, and there is the third term also that has a on the top and a square minus 9. So let us take the LCM. We can take LCM between all also, but let's do it one by one so that you will get this step in the second one. So a minus 3, a plus 3 will give us 2 a minus 3, a plus 3 as its LCM. So a minus 3 is matching. What is left? 2 into a plus 3. Will multiply 1, will become same. 2 into a plus 3. 1 multiplies to anything will remain same except 0. So 2a plus 3 will be removed. A minus 3 will multiply the 1. So it is something like this. 1 will multiply a minus 3. Left one. And the third term I am just copying down same to same for a while. What do you see over here? This is also a square minus b square. I can write that over here for you to make you understand. Now what do we see here? 2a plus 2 3s are 6 minus a plus 3 whole upon 2 into a minus 3 into a plus 3 plus a upon a plus 3 into a minus 3. Now when we take LCM between these two, the result is going to be same. A plus 3, a minus 3 is common in both. So this is going to be the LCM. The remaining one is 2. That is also written over here. These all are matching. That is why the top one will remain same. 2a minus a gives us a. 6 plus 3 gives us 9 plus. Now these two and these two are matching. Will be removed this minus. A plus b into a minus b. These two and these two will be reduced. 2 will multiply this a, will become 2a. So as a result, a plus 2a gives us 3a plus 9 whole over 2 multiplied by a plus 3 into a minus 3. Similarly, on the top you see 3 as a common. So the remaining factors will be a plus 3 inside the bracket. Now 2 in the denominator, a plus 3 multiplied by a minus 3. Let's reduce them. It comes 3 by 2 multiplied by a minus 3 as the answer for second last question. Okay, moving ahead to the next question, third last question. We have 1 over x plus 2 plus 2 over 2 into x minus 2. Similar question. Minus 4 over x square minus 4. So again I'll take LCM between these two. This I'll do little quickly. Okay, so the LCM for this is 2x plus 2 into x minus 2. As a result, x plus 2 matching. So 2 into x minus 2 will multiply the 1 which is in the numerator's place. 2 into x minus 2 is matching. So these two left and then 2 they will be multiplying with this x plus 2. Similarly over here I'll just copy down this same to same. Only I'll arrange this 4 in form of 2 square. Now what do you get over here? We get 2 multiplied by x, 2x, minus 2 2s are 4, plus 2x plus 4, whole upon this 2 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 minus 4 over this x square minus 2 square will become x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now moving ahead to the next step, here plus 2x, no, not plus 2x, this minus 4 and plus 4 will be reduced, 2x and 2x will be added, it becomes 4x on the top. And now let me take the LCM, 2 multiplied by x plus 2 into x minus 2. The first one will remain same because this whole denominator and LCM is matching, and another one is x plus 2 and x minus 2 is matching. Only 2 will multiply the top, that is 2 4 is 8. Now 4 is common in between them, 4x minus 2 whole upon 2 multiplied by x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now x minus 2 and x minus 2 is reduced, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So what do we get? 2 upon x plus 2, x plus 2. So this is going to be the answer for this question. Now moving ahead to the next question. Here we have 2 multiplied by a plus 4 upon a plus 3 in the denominator. Similarly minus a square plus 2a minus 12 on the top, and a square minus a minus 12 in the denominator. So what do we see? In the first case we don't have to do anything, this will remain same as nothing can be done over here. But in second case what we do, first into last, it comes minus 12a square. It means by subtracting it should come 2, and by multiplying it should come 12. So what is that digit? So what will multiply will become 12, and if you subtract it become 2. So let's divide this 12, 2 6 are 12, 6 minus 2, 2 3 are 6. So 3 2 are 6, 6 minus 2, 2 2 are 4, 4 minus 3. No, it's not coming. Okay, so what we will do is we will not do this one. We'll move ahead for this. So it is minus 12a square. So by subtracting it should come 1, and by multiplying it should come 12. So what is that? So that is a square minus 4a plus 3a minus 12. So here we go. I'll rub these all parts, and I'll do this. 2 into a plus 4 by a plus 3 minus a square plus 2a minus 12 by a is common between these two. A is common between these two, a minus 4, plus 3 is common between these two, a minus 4. 2 into a gives us 2a, 2 4s are 8 by a plus 3, minus a square plus 2a minus 12 by a minus 4 into a plus 3. So as a result, now we are going to take this LCM. What is going to be the LCM? A plus 3 into a minus 4. So a plus 3 is matching. Now a minus 4 will multiply to this. So a minus 4 will multiply to 2a plus 8. Similarly, this one the all same, that is why the numerator is written same to same, only the sign will be changed. As minus sign is in the middle, the sign will be changed. This a into 2a gives us 2a square. Then after a into 8 gives us 8a, minus 4 into 2 gives us minus 8a, and minus 4 into plus gives us minus 32. Minus a square minus 2a plus 12 from the other side, whole upon a plus 3 into a minus 4. Now let's see, this 8a is reduced, and then after this one, 2a square minus a square gives us a square 32, and this is 2a. 2a is left over here, 2a, and 32 and 12, when it is subtracted, it will become 20 whole upon a plus 3 into a minus 4. Now let's see this one, first into last. When you will do, it will come minus 20a square. Now you need to have such a number that when they will multiply, uh, it should come 20, and when they will be subtracted, it should come 2. So is there any number? 20. So 2 10, yeah, 10 and 10 minus 2 won't be coming. 2 5s there. So 5 minus 4, it won't come. So this is going to be the answer for this question. Moving ahead to the next question, what do we have here? Let's see. Let me skip. Okay, this question, let us solve this question. We have 2 on the top, in the denominator x square plus 3x plus 2. Here also we have to apply middle term split method, and then after 5x by x square minus x 6. Oh, this is wrong question, I think, because x and 6 cannot be. So let's go to the next question. Here we have the question 1 upon a square minus 3a plus 2 plus 1 upon a square minus 5a plus 6. Now let's do middle term split method. A square, so by multiplying it should come 2a square, and by adding it should come 3. That is 2a and a. If I'll add them, it is coming 3. If I'll multiply them, 2a square. Similarly on this side, if first into last, it will come plus 6a square. By adding, it should come 5a, and by multiplying 6. What is that? So that is 3a minus 2a. By adding 5, by multiplying plus 6a square. So now let's take common in between these two. A is common, a minus 2 is left. Minus 1 is common, a minus 2 is left. Over here, again a is common between these two. A minus 3 is left, and between these two, minus 2 is common. So a minus 3 will be left. Now, again, to write it in product form, common we have to keep in front. What is left? A and minus 1. That is to be written at the back in the product form, in the bracket. A minus 3 is taken as common. What are the remaining? A and minus 2. That will be written in another bracket. Now LCM between these two terms is, what is common? A minus 2 is common. That I'll write at first. What is left after that? A minus 1. And here in this, a minus 3. Now let's see, a minus 2, a minus 1, a minus 2, a minus 1, common. So you leave that, and a minus 3 will multiply this 1, will result a minus 3, because 1 multiplies to anyone gives the same result except 0. A minus 3 and a minus 2 is gone. A minus 1 will multiply to this 1 and will remain same, a minus 1. So now here a becomes 2a, minus 3 and minus 1 become minus 4 upon a minus 2 into a minus 1 into a minus 3. Now 2 is common among both. So a minus 2 will be left after taking 2 as common between these two terms. Now what is left? A minus 2, a minus 1 and a minus 3 in the denominator. So now they are in product form, we can reduce them. So 2 over a minus 1 into a minus 3 is going to be the answer for this question. So other questions are similar only. So other questions are similar. That is why I have not done some few questions from there. Other all I have solved. Front one also and the back one also. Middle 1 2 3 questions are left. Those all are solved on this basis only, how I have explained in part 1 and part 2. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in the next video.